Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn letter G. What we are going to learn? Letter G. But before starting, let's have a poem on letter G. This is a capital G. This is a lowercase g. Let's make the letter G sound. G, 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 g. G, 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 g. G is for a girl. G is for a goldfish. G is for a greedy goat. And G is for a goose. G is for the guitar. And G is for the green. G is for the grapes. G is for the gift. G is for the grandpa. And G is for the grandma. G is for the gun. Let's make the letter G sound. G, 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 g. G, 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 g. G sound, you all must be feeling very happy. So what you have learnt in that? You have seen letter G, capital and lowercase g also, and you have come to know about the sound of letter G, isn't it, along with the pictures. Now let's start book reading. This is letter G. This is letter G. This is capital G. Which letter is this? Capital G. And this is lowercase g in cursive. Cursive lowercase g. Okay, what is the sound of letter G? G says G. What is the sound of letter G? G. G says G. Now look at this. Boy. Who is this? He is a boy. And what is in his hand? Wow. It's a guitar. And it's looking so beautiful, isn't it? Yes. So, which picture is this? Guitar. Which picture? Guitar. And when we are saying guitar, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is G. Listen carefully. Guitar. Guitar. The sound that is coming first is G. And G is related to which letter? G. Yes, G is the sound of letter G. G, G, guitar. Now come to another picture. Wow, she's a girl and she's holding a gift in her hand. Okay, tell me, when do you get gift? When do you get gift? Do you know? Okay, when your birthday is celebrated, then your friends, your relatives, they all bring gift for you. And when you achieve something, at that time also your mama or your papa brings gift for you, isn't it? When somebody brings gifts for you, then what you have to say? You have to say thank you to them. What will you say to them? Thank you. When you receive some gift for somebody, when you receive gift from somebody, then you must thank them. And how to thank? Say thank you. What will you say? Thank you, dear. Okay, let's come to the point. What is in her hand? Gift. And when we are saying gift, 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 the sound that is coming first from our mouth is G. And G is the sound of which letter? G. G, G, gift. G, G, gift. Now come to the next picture. Look, what a goat. What is it? It's a goat. And what she's trying to have? She is trying to take grapes. Right. It is a greedy goat, Greedy. Greedy. Goat. The sound that is coming is G. And G is the sound of letter G. G, goat. G, greedy goat. And what she is trying to have? She is trying to have grapes. And grapes starts with which sound? Grapes. It starts with which sound? G. And G is the sound of which letter? G. G, grapes. Now look at who is there at the gate. What is this? It's a gate. Do you have gate at your home? Yes, we all have gates at our home. Right? And when we are saying gate, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is G. And G is the sound of letter G. G, gate. And who is coming from the gate? Grandparents. Who is coming? Grandparents. He is grandpa and grandma. Speak again. Grandpa, grandma. So, when we are saying grandparents, grandma, grandpa, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is G. And G is related to letter G. G says G. Okay, start book reading. G, grandpa. G, grandma. G, gate. G, grapes. G, guitar. G, gift. G, goat. Now let's come to the written part. This is letter G. Which letter? G. First you are to trace the letter G with your pointer finger. This is your pointer finger. Okay? The first finger of your right hand is known as your pointer finger. You are to use this one. Start from the lower line. Go up. Make a curve. Go up. Touch the blue line and inside. Sleeping line. Okay? Like this you are to trace. Now let's trace it with the help of pencil. Start from here. Make a curve. Like this. Okay? Go up and sleeping line. This is letter G. Now let's do it in the 4 lines. Okay? As we do in the notebooks. Start from under the line. Under the line means below the line. Below the red line. Start from here. Go up. Touch the red line. Make a curve. Touch the blue line. Go up. Touch the second blue line and sleeping line. Go back and standing line. Like this. This is letter G. Which letter is this? G. Okay, let me tell you once again. Start from under the line. Below the red line. Go up. Make a curve. Touch the third line. Go up. Touch the second blue line. Sleeping line. Go back and standing line. Now let's do it without dots. As I have told you earlier that we have to start from under the line, means below the red line. So we will start from here below the red line. Go up, touch the red line, come down, touch the third blue line, make a curve, go up, touch the second line, sleeping line, go back, and standing line. Letter G. Now let's do it again. Start from under the line, go up, make a curve, touch the lower line. Look, my line was not touching it, so I rubbed it. Okay, touch the third line, go up, make sleeping line, go back, and standing line. It should be like this. And one more thing you have to be very careful about is your curve should not cross this line and it should not come down below this line, as I have written here. That, can you see any letter coming out, any pencil mark coming out of it? No. So you have to be very careful. Okay. So I hope you have understood the concept of letter G and you are going to follow all the instructions told by me. So that's all from my side today. Bye bye.